Hello everyone, this is Sonali from Skies International Private Limited, and as we have promised you earlier that we will come with the series of videos, so here we are with the video on speaking module. So in speaking module, I have seen many students focusing on either sentence formation, grammar or vocabulary, but a very little importance is put on pronunciation. So here we are with 10 commonly mispronounced words. So the first word for today is, it's a very commonly used word. You use it almost each and every day of your life. So how will you pronounce this word? Will you call it as data or data? Actually, the correct pronunciation for this word is data. Data. Repeat it after me. Data. Moving forward to the next word. The next word is also a very commonly used word. It's one of the genders and it's synonym to ladies. So how will you pronounce this word? Will you call it as woman or women? Actually, the twist here is that both the pronunciations are correct. When we are talking about a single woman, it's woman, and when we are talking about more than that, it's women. So singular, woman, plural, women. Be clear about that. And now the next word. In this era, we all love to get additional discount, and this is a medium to get it. So how are we pronouncing this word? Are we pronouncing this word as coupon? No, that's totally wrong. It's coupon. Coupon. So now the fourth word. The fourth word is actually fourth day of the week. So how are you pronouncing this word? Are you pronouncing this word as Wednesday? No, that's totally incorrect. You have to replace the D with the Z and you have to pronounce it as Wednesday, not Wednesday. Wednesday. So now the fifth word. The fifth word is actually an Italian dish and we all love to eat it. So how are you pronouncing this word? Are you pronouncing this word as pasta? No, that's totally incorrect. It's pasta. There is ta in the end, not ta. And the next word is, it's a dry fruit and it's very healthy for the body. So how will you pronounce this word? Will you call it as almond or almond? Actually, both the pronunciations are incorrect. The correct pronunciation of this word is almond. Yes, the L in this word is silent, so you pronounce this word as almond. Almonds. Now the next word. We all women love to wear it and purchase it also. So what is this word? Most of us are pronouncing it incorrectly. It's not jewelry, it's jewelry. Jewelry, not jewelry. Jewelry. Moving forward to the next word. This is a word which I used to mispronounce a lot. It's definition, not definition, it's definition. There is an I after N, not A. Definition. Now the next word. It's a thing which is very nutritious but children hate it. What it is? It is vegetable? No, it's vegetable. Actually, the second E in this word is silent. It's vegetable, not vegetable. And now the last word. It's a mode of transportation and we use it on a daily basis. So what it is? Is it vehicle? No, it's vehicle. It's vehicle. I hope this video will be helpful to you and now you will not mispronounce these words. Please follow us. Thank you and stay tuned.